another lit video. And
woo, what's up? Good morning, guys. It's your girl Raquel, and I'm out here in Atlanta.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Raquel. Now, as you know, we're here with another banger.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Raquel. I just got done eating at this restaurant right behind me. Over there.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Raquel.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Raquel.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Raquel.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Raquel, and I'm here with another lit video. It's your girl Raquel, and I'm here with another lit video.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Raquel, and I'm here to, first and foremost, want to say thank you to all my supporters. Thank you for all the love and support that you've been giving me and showing me so far. And if you haven't done so now, if you're watching this video and not a subscriber, subscribe below. Make sure you hit that little bell on the side of the subscribe button. That way, every time I post a video, you're the first one to get the scoop. Why gotta put them in the sauce first? Oh shit! Yo! I'm gonna go. Cut it out. Break them. Shit.
Finally got one. My first one ever.
So you ever had one of these? What? I'm gonna be lit.
What is that? Pink lemonade?
Sex on the beach that I'm not getting.
Okay, it's messy anyways.
That one's good?
I ain't getting no sand in my ass. What kind you got?
Strawberry or mango?
That shit does sound good. What kind you got?
Mango.
She's basic.
I want to try them. I want to try them all.
These two, we went out to eat, right? These two get chicken fingers and french fries.
Where we went to eat.
at Chicky and Pete's.
Where are you going? With
Chicken fingers and french fries. Oh, no. I just started drinking. I don't know where to go. Where's the beach? So we're at Chicky and Pete's, which is like an all seafood spot, right? These two get chicken fingers and french fries. I do. They got me some crab legs. I really wanted to do a crab boil, but it was $139 for some seafood boil out here. I'm going back to Reading.
Hold on. Picture of it while I walk. He's a little bored.
Who's texting us? Who's texting us? On a Saturday night, do alright. You like my head moves?
Love it, boo.
I got the best head bop.
That's right.
Look.
I'm literally like almost done.
For real, I'm like halfway done.
How y'all gonna take a bathroom picture without me?
So you was in the bathroom.
This time, we're going behind the scenes. My first time as well, to Maple Grove Raceway. Let's get it!
We are out here, Toro Verde, El Monstruo, largest zip line in the world. I'm ready to do this.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Renee Ken. I'm here with another lit video, and yes, I know I look a hot mess express, but who doesn't look a hot mess while preparing the Thanksgiving meal? And in this episode, I will be preparing this papa, this bad boy right here. It's my first time making a turkey, so I hope it turns out great, not dry, and delicious and scrumptious. This